Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to share with you some wonderful Instagram bio links mostly you haven't known before. But firstly, what the mean of an Instagram bio link? Simply, Instagram bio link is a landing page where you can insert your websites and your tools you want to share with your audience. Besides your products you want to promote, whether they are affiliate products or print-on-demand ones, in one place. Therefore, you have to make your landing page or Instagram bio landing page more stylish, more organized, and more eye-catching. Thus, in this video, I'd like to share with you some amazing Instagram bio links rather than the most common ones like OmniLink or Linktree. And now let's begin with the first one for today, that is FYI.to. FYI.to. Here in this amazing website, you can create that so-called smart list or Instagram bio landing pages. And here simply just paste your link below and let the magic to happen. And to be more clear in that, your smart list, your Instagram bio link will be like that, okay? Thus, when you paste your links here in your smart list or your Instagram bio link, this website automatically grabs the default thumbnail of your website or your product. As you see here, this t-shirt or this protein bar, and therefore it makes a better visual connection with your audience, and exactly it refers to what is it about, okay? And not only that, this website also brings a short description of your website and your product that you can take it as a hook to your visitors or a call to action, okay? As you see here, short sentences about your product and your website, okay? As you see. So how to make this smart list, how to create this Instagram bio link landing page? Simply, here you can go to this one, free sign up, okay? And after sign up for free without any cost on you, okay? And here you can paste your links here, the links of your websites, your YouTube channels, your articles, your products you want to promote, and so on. So for example, just we can share one of our print-on-demand products like this one, this t-shirt, okay? So copy this link, copy back to our smart list to be curated, okay, and paste. And just in a few seconds, as I said before, it got the thumbnail of your product, as you see here, okay, and a short sentence about your product, a description or a hook to that website, okay, as you see here. And of course, we can share here some websites and some products like this one, placeit.net, the biggest marketplace for mockups, okay? Copy back to our smart list and paste here. Just a few seconds, it grabs the thumbnail of that website and that product and a short description or a call to action. And of course here, as I said before, you can share some YouTube videos, articles, affiliate products, and so on. And when you are done with that smart list or that Instagram bio link landing page, okay, create a new smart list. And here you can upload a banner or a thumbnail of that smart list, okay? Add here some titles, description, okay, and confirm, as you see here. That's it. Just let's open it. And here you will find your smart list, or in other words, your Instagram bio links, your products, your videos, your articles, and so on. So if someone clicks over that thumbnail, just he will be taken directly to your product page or your YouTube video or your article, and etc. Okay. Today, so the first website today and your Instagram bio link for today is FYI.to, okay? And now let's move on to the next website for today, that is Beacons.ai. Beacons.ai, where you can create here one of the most beautiful landing pages for your Instagram business, like this one, okay? Here in this amazing landing page, you can gather all your social media platforms, your YouTube channel, some products and some websites you want to share with your audience in one place, and in an organized page and in eye-catching website. As you see here, you will find here some animated clickable buttons. So how to create this such landing page for free without any cost on you? Simply just to go to this one, sign up here, okay, and here you can grab your username like Reno, okay, like this one. Continue. Tell us about yourself, and here your details like Riemann, your email, a temporary email like this one. Copy back to our Beacons DI, paste, password, continue with email. Perfectly. So firstly we can go to your inbox, okay, refresh inbox to verify your account. Click over it. And here you can insert your social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and so on. Okay, continue or skip this step. Here you can tell them about your business like photography, education, food, fashion, health, marketing. So we can take this one, marketing, okay, or business marketing. Okay, continue. Perfectly. And here you have to select one of these beautiful themes like this one, you see, or this green one. Okay, as you want, select. And here you have two options. You can continue with this domain like beacons.di/ and your landing page, or you can select a custom domain, okay, like this one, renome.live, and so on. So we can continue with that. No thanks. Okay, skip for now. We continue for free. And now you will find your page is ready with this link, beacons.di/renome. Okay, so copy link here, done. And now it's time to customize your landing page, your Instagram bio landing page. Okay, so we can start with my page. Okay, and everything we can edit here in our Instagram bio link you will find here in this preview. Okay, so we can start with this one, header, and here you can upload your profile picture. So we can upload this one, accept, as you see here. And there's some options of this profile picture, circle or square. So we can take this one as it in preview, circle. Okay, picture outline, as you see here. We can change its outline color from here. Okay, we can make it red, black, yellow, and so on. And here's some texts like display name like Riemann, bio sentences, okay, location, format, this one or this one. Okay, your profile picture size, bigger or smaller. Here you can add your social icons, social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and so on. Okay, and when you're done with that header, go back and go to the section about me. Okay, and here you can add a title and welcome sentences. So welcome my guys to this landing page. Okay, and here you will find some my links that I want to share with you. Save it. Perfect. Go back, follower counts, so we can delete it. Okay, delete it. And 4 links, your clickable buttons, your websites, your products you want to promote and share with your audience and your visitors. And here you can add a brief description or call to action to that product or to this website. Okay, and here you can add its link like this one. Okay, the title and a call to action here and your link. And you can add a thumbnail of that product. Okay, like this one, deleted, and upload image quickly, accept. Okay, and so on and so forth. for every single button you want to create. Okay, and the best thing here regarding this clickable buttons, this gear icon. Okay, here you'll find here some options like animate. You can make animation of that button. Okay, you can make a schedule link, smart link. That means when someone, your customer, click over that bio link on your Instagram bio, he will be taken directly to that page or this website specifically. Or you can make a countdown. Okay, or so you can make it animate, and you find here some link animations like pounds, jello, pulse, like this one pulse. You'll find all these in this preview, so we can take this one, jello. Okay, and so on and so forth for every single clickable button. Okay, perfectly. Link layouts, classic, as you see here, or image grid, or images with your text, your description, and your call to action, or large images, as you see. Okay, so we can back to this one perfectly, quickly, pack. And that's for adding a new block here. Click over that, and here you will find a lot of options, like you can add tweet for music, for YouTube channels. Okay, as you see, some support monetizations, stores. Okay, TikTok shopping, requests. You can go to this one, integrations. You'll find here some websites you can integrate with, like Buy Me a Coffee, Proxy, Petra, Kit, Kofi, and so on. Okay, these websites all in one place. Okay, and you have done with these contents of your landing page. Okay, your products, your websites, your YouTube channel that you want to share with your audience. Okay, and therefore go to this one, design. If you want to customize more your landing page, you can select one of these beautiful themes, like this one, like this one. Okay, you can select this one, apply, as you see. Okay, or you can customize it as you want. You can change these buttons for square, round, full width, and so on. Okay, your background, you can change this background to an image, color, or video, and so on. Okay, like this one, for example. Okay, page colors, you can generate color palette, fonts. Okay, like this one, and so on and so forth. You can find here a lot of tools to make your landing page more beautiful and more eye-catching landing page. Okay, and when you are done with that, just copy your landing page and go to your Instagram bio and paste this link. Okay, so we can try it in another browser like this one, and here you will find your beautiful landing page like that. Okay, as you see. And now you have known two websites to create your attractive Instagram bio landing page that has stylish clickable buttons with higher click-through rates. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.